YouTube, it's Zachary Ashbrook with Evergreen Landscaping and Garden Center, and I'm going to be making our first unboxing video of the 2018 growing season. So we put in an order for some air plants to be used in our terrariums. Now these are pretty easy plants to take care of. They're very low maintenance. They just have to be dunked in water for 20 to 30 minutes once or twice a week, depending on how hot and dry it is. But we've got a pretty awesome order of plants here, and I can't wait to show you. So this first one we got here, this is a classic collection air plant. Let's see what we got. Ooh, yeah, here we go. So we got a nice little array here. Some really nice looking plants, gorgeous color. So this silver color on the plant here is due to trichomes, and those are little hair-like structures on the plant itself that collect moisture from the environment. So they really benefit from having a very humid environment, and that's why they do really well in terrariums. That's part of our classic collection. We got some bulbosas from Guatemala. Yeah, this supplier's got some great, really colorful packaging. Really appreciate that. Oh gosh, look at these are gorgeous. Look at that form. Absolutely stunning. Now air plants will flower over time, and they usually have a very simple bract, but out of those bracts will come out very colorful flowers. And if anyone wants to know what the flowers look like on each of these air plant species that I unboxed today, leave a comment section below and I'll get back to you on the color of the air plant flowers. Let's see. Looks like one of these actually is flowering. Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning. Now this particular one has got some beautiful blue flowers with these yellow pistils. Look at that. You know what? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to set this one inside a terrarium here. Really show off those flowers. Absolutely stunning. Got another one here. This is, oh, love this. Look at the color in that air plant. Gorgeous. I'm going to put this one in the terrarium as well. Look at this. Alright, we got a few more here. Let's see what we got. Oh, love these. These are little round boys. Check this out. Oh, look at that form. Absolutely stunning. And that's it. So there's our shipment of air plants. Great variety, stunning colors, excellent condition. So if you fancy yourself an air plant, and if you're ever interested in how to put together an air plant terrarium, you can always ask me. My name again is Zachary Ashbrook. And come on down to Evergreen Landscaping and Garden Center on Thompson Road in Syracuse, New York.